Hi, people. You're welcome to Opportunities Worldwide. So, today there's an exciting fellowship for people in journalism and filmmaking in the Global South. So, the fellowship is aimed at aspiring journalists and filmmakers from the Global South working in film, print, video, photography, or multimedia. The fellows seek to make a career out of reporting the Global South, raising awareness and breaking down prejudices with integrity and creativity. So there is also a 1,000 euro grant for each of the 10 selected fellows from the Global South to create their piece of art or work. I'll be sharing a link to the website for you to come and read everything at your own pace, and also a link to the application form. So, since 2001, One World Media has supported nearly 300 emerging journalists and filmmakers to report from over 100 countries. One World Media provides each fellow with a 1,000 euro grant, one-to-one mentoring, invaluable workshops, and webinars by industry experts. They seek to champion diverse emerging talent and particularly encourage submissions from underrepresented groups. Please note the new free online course provides an excellent foundation for applying to the One World Media Fellowship by helping you develop your story idea, prepare your proposal, and get acquainted with successful pieces of reporting in the field. We strongly encourage anyone applying to the fellowship to complete the course and upload your certificates to your application. So you really have to take this free online course. I'm going to share a link to it also in the description of this video. So key dates. Entries opened on 22nd Feb and the deadline is 21st March 2024. So you have 1 month for plan. What do fellows receive? Each fellow will receive a 1,000 euro reporting grant. They will receive executive producer for their project who acts as a mentor. There's workshops and webinars by industry experts and fair reporting and security guidance. The last thing you receive as a fellow is a network of like-minded fellows and alumni. Who are we looking for? Or who is the fellowship looking for? They want to hear from early to mid-career filmmakers and journalists from the Global South with creative and engaging non-fiction stories about the Global South. This year, we're selecting fellows, and our fellows experiment and learn in a supportive environment. They could be looking for their first director role or solo investigation, transitioning between mediums or industries or tackling a challenging topic. As well as the integrity and creativity of the story, they also take into account their access, ability to deliver the story, and why they will benefit from the fellowship support. What projects are they looking for in this fellowship? Projects in pre-production that tell engaging stories from low and middle income countries across the Global South, non-fiction media across all platforms, proposals where a majority of the budget is in place or achievable in a short time, projects that can be delivered within a year for films that is under 30 minutes, stories that are strong enough to be published or broadcast in established media outlets. They are looking for genuine journalism or documentary, and the fun media could ultimately appear in existing newspapers, magazines, radio, TV channels, professional news websites, and online platforms, etc. So, beyond this, they are particularly interested in proposals that seek to tell underrepresented stories in a way that will engage the intended audience, highlight the voices of people living in the Global South, particularly voices that are not often heard, have established contacts or contributors who have confirmed their willingness to take part, have considered safety, demonstrate an understanding of accountability and fair practice in reporting, employ ethical filmmaking practices when working with contributors. So, you'll come and read the frequently asked questions at your own time. But let me just, there's no application fee. You should, okay, they encourage you to apply with only one strong proposal. And you should get a reference letter from on a headed paper and can be from a tutor, lecturer, or commissioner, an employer, or an established practitioner. in a medium that is familiar with your work. So guys, let's go straight away to the application form and see what it entails. Let's see. So when you click on the apply button, you'll be able to see this page. So you type in your email and you verify it and you check your email. So this is what you end up seeing. You'll come to this major application page, and this is how it will look. So you'll have an entry. We start from the first page. This is the first page you see. And on the top right corner, you'll be able to see how many days are left. 27 days until this application closes. But on the top part of this page, you'll be able to see up to about 8 pages that you will fill in. For example, details before applying, applicant details, project details. And I'm on the first page, which is details highlighted in pink, and the rest are in gray. So we're applying to the One World Media Fellowship 2024. So you come and type in, okay, let's just look at different pages. So the first page is for details. You come and type in the name of your entry. Maybe it's called, let's say, car. Just thinking out loud, but that's not, okay, it could be a good idea of a project to work on. So let's go to the next page. You save and next and go to the next page. You come and read the eligibility criteria again, but you already read this, so there's no need. And once you're done, and once you're done reading the eligibility criteria and you fit, you can just confirm that you have read and read the terms and conditions for the One World Media. So we save and then go to the next page. This is applicant details. So you type your name, your date of birth, place of birth, nationality, upload your CV. Then here you drag your certificates. Here where they're saying drag your file, drag your certificate from the online course. And I think here you can see a link to a website where you're supposed to do that course. So we go to the next page, project details. You just come in. Okay. Since you have to. What is happening? Yeah. You fill in your name and all the details on the different details page. Then you'll come to the project details page. Type in your project title and everything. Everything seems easy. So let's go to the next page, which is supporting media. So you come and put in links to any previous work you've ever done. Then you come to the equal opportunities page. Type in your gender identity and all your other details, and then you come to the reference letters page. Attach your reference letters. Everything seems quite easy. So if you know any journalists or filmmakers in the global south, please don't hesitate to share within this community. I'm going to share all the relevant links I've been talking about in the description of this video. And let's look at the last page before I end this video. Would you like to sign up for regular? If you would like to, you choose yes. And how did you hear about this one more media fellowship? So you can select others if you're watching this on YouTube. You can put YouTube opportunity as well for a channel. So guys, so once you're finished filming everything, you can click on submit entry and that will be it. Bye.